Australia secures $100 million deal for new Bushmaster vehicles. Australia is taking a bold step to strengthen its defense capabilities. The government has signed a $100 million contract with Thales Australia to produce 44 additional Bushmaster Protected Mobility Vehicles. This investment was announced by Minister for Defence Industry and Capability Delivery, Pat Conroy, highlighting a dual focus: enhancing national security and supporting local industries. The Bushmaster, a 4x4 armoured vehicle, has been a critical asset for Australia's defence forces for over 2 decades. Manufactured at the Protected Vehicle Centre of Excellence in Bendigo, Victoria, this facility has produced more than 1,300 vehicles, with many exported to allies such as the United Kingdom, the Netherlands, New Zealand, and Japan. Bushmasters have also seen action in Ukraine, where their effectiveness against Russian forces has been widely acknowledged. Designed to withstand the toughest battlefield conditions, the Bushmaster features a monocoque steel body and a V-shaped hull for protection against mines, IEDs, and ballistic threats. It can carry up to 8 fully equipped soldiers and is equipped with advanced weapon stations, offering versatility for troop transport, reconnaissance, medical support, and counter-IED operations. These new Bushmasters will be deployed to the Australian Army's 2nd Long-Range Fires Regiment in South Australia, a key part of the Army's Precision Strike Modernisation Plan under the Land 8113 Phase 2 project. This initiative will also introduce advanced missile systems, further boosting Australia's strike capabilities on land and at sea. With this contract, production at Bendigo is set to continue, sustaining hundreds of jobs across the country. It also paves the way for further innovation, with the Bushmaster platform evolving into its latest 5.5 version, featuring enhanced capabilities for modern warfare. Globally, the Bushmaster continues to make waves. It's being considered for the British Army's Land Mobility Programme, with plans to deliver initial units from Australia before establishing local production in the UK. This deal underscores the Australian government's commitment to a strong, modern defence force while supporting domestic manufacturing. It's more than an investment in vehicles. It's an investment in Australia's future security and its place on the global stage.